A journey.
We're all waiting to leave for Sussex. Dad's gone to collect the car he's hired. It's on the other side of London, but the traffic's not too bad today. London's more crowded during the week than at weekends. Dad doesn't like traffic because he doesn't like driving slowly. He usually drives fast, but carefully. Mum doesn't drive as well as Dad. She usually drives slowly, but carelessly. She stops too suddenly and turns too quickly. She's got to learn to drive smoothly. I'm more comfortable with Dad because he drives smoothly. I haven't learned to drive yet, but Dad's going to teach me. I need a lot of help. I want to take my test soon, and Simon wants to get a license too. He isn't as old as I am.
Crowded roads.
What time is it?
9:15.
And how far have we got to drive?
About 70 miles.
The traffic's not very heavy. We're not going to be late.
Yes, but we've got to hurry. The traffic's going to be heavier soon.
Why?
Because today's Saturday. The roads are going to be very crowded.
Are they going to be as crowded as the Swiss roads?
Oh yes. Some of them are going to be more crowded. The heaviest traffic's going to be on the A22.
Well, remember...
Yes, I know. I've got to be careful, and I've got to drive slowly. Don't worry. I always drive carefully.
Speed limits.
Guy, you've passed a policeman. Please drive slowly.
It's all right.
No, it isn't. You've got to stop. The policeman's signalling you.
Oh dear. We're going to be late.
May I see your driving licence, please?
Yes, here it is.
And your insurance certificate?
This is a hired car. Here's the form.
Right. Your speed's been 60 miles an hour for 5 miles. The speed limit's 50 on this road. It's a dangerous road.
But you haven't stopped the faster cars.
That's right. But I've stopped you. I'm not going to report you this time. But remember, drive carefully.
Saturday traffic.
This might be the house they live in.
No, Dad, that isn't their house. There's the house they live in. Look, there's Mr. Blake.
Hello, Mike. How are you?
Fine. And you?
Not too bad.
Where's Ian?
He was in the garage a minute ago, but he might be in the house now. Would you like to go in?
Where's Claire?
She was here a minute ago. Here she is.
Hello, Claire.
Hello. Did you have a good journey?
Yes, we had a very good one.
What was the traffic like?
It wasn't too bad.
You were lucky. It's usually very bad at weekends.
The country.
We haven't seen the Hunts for a long time. We were all in Geneva at the same time. They were our neighbours. Our children were friends of their children. I was the manager of a bank in Geneva. Now I'm working for a different bank in London. Our home was in Hampstead until last year. We're living in Sussex now. We had a lovely flat in Hampstead, but we weren't happy there. We don't like town life very much. We are happier in the country. The children have more friends now than they had before, because the people in the country are more friendly than the people in the town. Our life in the town wasn't as pleasant as it is now.
something to eat.
Would you like to sit in the garden? There are more chairs in the garden than there are in the living room.
And it's not as hot outside as it is inside. Ian, you haven't got to stay here. Would you like to go for a walk with Simon?
Good idea. Would you like to go for a walk, Simon?
Yes, I would.
Is anyone thirsty?
Yes, I am. I'd love a cold drink.
I'm not. I had a drink at a cafe.
Did you have anything to eat?
No, we didn't have any food. We weren't hungry.
Are you hungry now?
I'm not, but Simon might be. He was hungry an hour ago, but he didn't have anything to eat. He only had a lemonade.
There are some biscuits in the kitchen. Would you like a few, Simon?
Yes, please.
Can I have a few too, Mum?
You had some this morning. Are you still hungry?
Yes, I'm always hungry.
All right, you can have 2 or 3.
Have we got to eat them here, Mum?
No, you haven't got to eat them here. You can take them with you.
Thanks, Mum.
A walk on beach. बीचवर हिंडायला जातात.
Would you like to go for a swim?
I can't go. I've got to make the lunch.
Why don't you all go for a swim? I'm going to help Claire.
You haven't got to help Claire. She's done most of the work.
I'd like to stay here.
Well, why don't we go, Guy? What time have we got to come back?
About 1.
What a beautiful place you've got here, Mike.
Thank you. We like it very much. It was terribly hot here last week. We had a picnic on the beach every evening. Yesterday the children had a party on the beach after dinner. They were in the water all the time.
Can they swim well?
Yes, they can. Very well. Would Simon and Jane like to spend next weekend here?
I'm sure they'd love to. Sarah and I have got to go to Cambridge next weekend.
द सीझन. हवामानाबद्दलच्या गप्पा. जिनेव्हापेक्षा कमी थंड आहे.
How long have you lived here, Claire?
Since last June. About a year.
Was it cold last winter?
Yes, it was, but not as cold as Geneva. December and February were much colder than January.
Did you have much snow?
Yes. Of course, we didn't have as much snow as you had in Geneva.
What about the other seasons?
I think autumn was the most beautiful season. The days were clear and dry, and it was sunny and warm all the time. September and October were the nicest months, but November was terrible. We had a lot of rain.
What was last spring like?
It wasn't very nice. May was nicer than March and April. March was cold and April was wet.
What's summer like? Is it always as hot as this?
It wasn't last year, but the summer's been marvellous this year.
Is August as hot as July?
No, it's usually cooler and drier.
It sounds wonderful. Guy might take a job in London, and we might buy a house here.
What a wonderful idea.
Well, we might, but we might not.
आशा आहे या व्हिडिओमधील टॉपिक तुम्हाला समजले असतीलच. अजून पुढील व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करा आणि इतर पालकांना आणि विद्यार्थ्यांना शेअर करून पुढील व्हिडिओसाठी आम्हाला प्रोत्साहित करा.